Well, we've hooked up the other monitor out here, and I'll put the link to this. We got it off Amazon, and it works amazing. It's a baby monitor, y'all, and I can watch everything that's going on in here. If we have some goats getting ready to give birth or whatever. And Tim's putting up the other one that was up. It was already up, and he accidentally knocked it down with his head, but he's gonna put it up there so it's out of the way. Right?
Yeah.
It's kind of dark out here. Well, we have a light, don't we? Somewhere. I've got so much stuff plugged in that, well, I had the phone plugged in, I had the monitor, it's plugged in because it's about to go dead. There you go, now you see. Look at the cobwebs. My goodness.
Goat man. Goat man.
Look at that. You know what that is?
Cicada.
It is a cicada shell. I thought they were them things. Oh, there's another one. Look at there. Them things. When we get done here, we're going to go harvest our potatoes. I am too excited for that. Don't you know it?
Excited about everything.
It excites me. It's like I'm like a little kid, like opening a present or something. I can't help it. I can't help it. Well, it is a gift. It is a gift. Okay, well, I'll let you put this up and then we'll get ready for the harvesting. Today we're going to harvest our potatoes, and I am super excited because I've been waiting for this. And they're ready.
That's the last one.
I'm like a kid in a candy shop. Now this one probably won't be very good because there's only two plants. This one probably won't be very good at all. Here, we need to turn it around where they can see it. Now this is where we planted these in our feed sacks.
Watch out for lizards.
And yes, last year I got attacked by a lizard. My granddaughter's laughing at me. Oh boy! I'm so excited.
For one potato?
Hey, I don't care if it is one potato. It grew a potato. Yeah, baby. This is so exciting. I love this.
Oh, you're so funny.
Hey, it doesn't take much to make me happy. And growing stuff makes me happy. I love this. And look, this didn't cost us nothing but the dirt. The seed potatoes and the dirt. And if we had a root cellar or something, we could be saving these potatoes and have our own seed potatoes for next year. But we don't have. But I was told just a little bit ago that we were going to save up for a root cellar.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty excited about that too. Not too bad out of 2 bags. I mean, considering there's not all that work that you do, when you plant them in the ground, right?
No, this is easier.
Way easier. And we get these feed sacks every week. He's got
2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks. He's got all kinds of. Woo! You're getting all kind of excited here now. Little one again. Them little ones would be good in beans and taters. Right? Looky there. Looky, looky, looky. Little ones. Another one. For some look here. For some reason, I was thinking that as tall as those bags were, we would cut this bag open.
And it'd be full of seed potatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't happen.
Is it supposed to?
I don't know. I thought it would have been more than that.
I mean, they grew quite a few potatoes, but we did move them, and we moved them twice. Kind of jostled them around, and that might have something to do with it. I really get excited with sweet potatoes, don't I?
Them red ones did pretty good, big wise. Look at all my hands.
I know. I thought I felt something crawling on me. Yeah, the red potatoes did pretty good. You know, I'll have to say, well, we'll wait till we get them all done. But we're getting just about as many as we did last year, aren't we?
Well, maybe there's another seed there.
Woo, them ants are crawling all over me. Went and put all this dirt in his blackberries and his raspberries.
These are white ones.
Oh, they're crawling at my arm. More potatoes, guys.
And green.
We don't want him. Ooh-wee, yeah. All right, Tim went and got the side-by-side. Let me help you?
All the potatoes are in the bottom.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I don't know why we're opening the... Ah.
Oh.
You want that one? Okay, well, that's what we got out of this one. Well, it did. I didn't think it would. Okay, here's our cucumbers are going crazy on these cattle panels. Crazy. We got to get out here this weekend and get some stuff going. Our tomatoes are really getting big. These were little bitty, and after that rain, they got huge. All them are doing good. All them are doing good. We just need to get out here and tidy things up. We need to till, but we can't till because we had all that rain, and it is muddier than muddy. There's my one little zucchini plant I had left in the hoop house. How's the zucchini plants doing down here?
One of them's got a bloom on it.
One's got a bloom? Ooh, yes. We really need to, man. There's our new corn coming up, but look at all the weeds. And we're kind of stuck. We can't do nothing while it's that muddy, can we?
I still got to spray them grapes again.
Yeah, we got to spray these grapes. Our grapes have a fungus this year. And they're dying. They're dying out. They're getting that little black spot on the bottom, and then they get all black and just fall off and die. So he's trying to treat them this year to get rid of that fungus. Oh yeah, there is a bloom down there on that one. They look good. They sure do. They're growing. They're growing. These are looking good too.
This dill's going crazy too.
Huh?
Your dill.
My dill? Well, I'm going to use that in our pickles. Our cucumbers get going here. I've got dill in here. And I got cilantro. That I need to get out here and weed this stuff. Like it's so hard to keep up and do everything inside and do everything I got to do. And then still, look, this is already getting heads on it, getting flowers, blooming. That's not good.
Take scissors and snip them off.
I know. And look, our rhubarb. If anybody knows what we've done wrong or what we haven't done, let us know. Because did you see this, Tim?
Yeah. Another one dying?
Yeah. The other one died too. This one is, and they were doing so good. I just don't understand that.
They dried up on them.
I don't know. It may have got too hot. I don't know because we've never growed it. There's more of it. There's more of it. There's more of it. It's dying too. Our sweet potatoes are doing good. That's a plus. Our jalapeno peppers are doing good in there. I put tomato in that one. It's going crazy. Our now my horseradish, well, it got water, but it was burning up. Look at these sweet potatoes, you guys. That is where I have the most fun. And there's some more peppers. I just did flowers in that one. And then there's peppers in that one. And strawberries. Our strawberries, they weren't looking too good either. They're still not. There's a ripe one. Looky there. Looky, looky. We'll just have to pick him. We got to go pick blackberries here in a minute too. Yeah, we got to get out here and weed eat and mow. And we did picked a bunch of onions. We're going to put our pole beans right here. We're going to till that up and put our pole beans there. And then, yeah, well, we're trying, y'all. This is what happened last year. We're just so busy. If we were just home all the time and could just, you know, and we are sporadically, but we're not here how we should be to be taking care of all this, because it needs constant care. It just really does. Anyway, I guess we're not the only ones that, go through this, but it's still going to yield us a good crop. I think it'll be just fine. Okay, I think I'm going to get off here. I'm going to go help him pick the blackberries, and then we're going to go in. I got to cook bread all day, bake bread all day tomorrow. So he got the monitors hooked up, the baby monitors hooked up in the goat barn, and so that's done. So I guess we're about done for the night. So I guess I don't know where he went. Oh, he's up at the blackberries. Hold on a minute. I found him. He's up here eating blackberries.
I was dumping dirt.
He's eating blackberries. Look what I found.
And the strawberry.
Mm-hmm.
A little green on the bottom.
Yeah, but something will get it if I leave it on there. Something will get it. Okay, well, we're going to go ahead and go. We got to get in, get this done, get these blackberries picked, and get in and get bathed and go to bed. So
yeah, I need a shower now.
Yes, we do. So that was fun, though, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I have so much fun doing the potatoes. I can't wait until it's time to do sweet potatoes. We got a while for that, don't we?
A little bit.
Okay. Well, I love y'all. We love you. And don't forget, like, share, subscribe.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Dirty thumb.
You can have a dirty thumb. It's okay. As long as we get a thumb. All right. We'll catch you on, Lord willing, on the next video.
Y'all have a blessed night.
Bye.